We're going.
Hello everyone, it's Adizar and it's morning here sa among balay, Sabang Adgawan, Lapas, Agusan del Sur. Baha dire and together with Adizar team. Okay, so karon manglaag mi sa Agusan Marsh and unya ipakita namo ang wonders sa Agusan Marsh. Daong asawa ready to pictorials.
Low-key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love.
Okay. Papunta na po kami sa Agusan Marsh and na po ang mga design team.
I never wanna lock you
sila. Ipakita na po ang lugar.
Just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having.
As you can see kainat, grabe kalubog ang tubig tungod kay motong Adgawan River, but diri Agusan River from the forest, from the marshland. Diha, tinaw na ang tubig.
Paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you.
Welcome to Marshland, Philippines!
Girl, look at them. Ate bang sa ate bang. Kana, kuya, ate bang. Inaotan sakto ni akong mga gipahiyon sa inyo. Sige, mira. Oh, nice. Sopa. Liyan siya kang lolang. Isog sa Let's go home.
And let's go home.
Woo! Look at that, so beautiful.
The beautiful.
The beauty.
The water is like a punggok. Bawang punggok.
And the beauty is.
Babang punggok yun. Siya among mga floating houses din sa among lugar sa Bang Adkawan, La Paz, Agusan del Sur. And okay rami din we are always ready for any flood kay lifestyle namo din nga every December to March magbagit sa amo. And it's not a disaster, it's a blessing for all of us, for most of us, because the livelihood of most people here are fishing. So ganahan sila pagmubaha kay dagay isda. Then pag mahubas po, ganahan po mi kay sa farmer man mi nga side. Kaya farmer, so kay magtanom mi nga tampok ang yuta. That's great thing here in our barangay. Balay, long-legged house kay usahay, mahal kayo ang kawayan nga himuon nga floater, so nagpataas na daan mig balay.
To think about the goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just want to lift my hands and say that I love Him. I just want to lift my heart in praise. And I want to be thankful. I want to be think about the goodness of the Lord. He gives me everything I need and so much more. So I just wanna live